Watch ladies that dress well. Before you approach them, you will dress well to go to them. So one of the things you will do is check those clothes you wear on the street that is not good. Go and burn all of them. Say, Father, this is one of the reasons to show you that I'm serious for you. Set all of them ablaze. Vibrator in your house, you burn it. You delete all the whole blue film you downloaded on your phone. Who are you quarreling with? Are you quarreling with your husband? Are you quarreling with your pastor? With your reverend father? Bring out your phone now and send text message to that person. Bring out your phone immediately. Send text message. Say, as we enter the new year, may God bless you. I forgive you. I love you.
And shout, oh Lord, forgive me my sin. Behold, I had a voice.